In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert online pictures. Whether you're building a document, a slide deck, or a quick handout, the right image can make your work clearer and more engaging. This process is simple, and once you know it, you can add visuals in seconds without leaving your file. Begin by deciding exactly where the picture should appear and place your cursor in that spot. Think of the cursor as a placeholder that tells your app, put the image right here. Doing this first helps keep your layout tidy and saves you time later. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Choose Pictures and then select from Online. In some versions, it may read Online Pictures, but it's the same feature. This opens a built-in search window powered by Bing, so you can find images right inside your document or presentation. In the search box, type a clear, specific term that describes what you need. Instead of a broad word like dog, try something like golden retriever running or dog icon blue background. The more precise your words, the better your results. If the first set of images doesn't match your vision, adjust your phrase slightly or add a simple qualifier like illustration, photo, or transparent to steer the style. As the results load, scan the thumbnails and choose visuals that support your message. Favor images that are sharp, uncluttered, and easy to understand at a glance. Also remember that online results can have usage restrictions, so be mindful of how you plan to use the image and choose responsibly. When you find what you like, click to select it. You can choose more than one picture if your layout calls for it, and they'll all come in together. Then click Insert. Your chosen image or images will drop exactly where your cursor was, keeping your formatting intact and your page organized. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Previews and files are being fetched from the web. And that's the whole workflow from start to finish. Place your cursor where the image belongs, go to Insert, choose Pictures, select from Online, type a focused search term, and then select an insert. With just these few actions, you can quickly bring in polished visuals that elevate your content and help your ideas land with impact. Give it a try in your next document or presentation and see how much stronger your message becomes with the perfect picture in place.